Hi, this is GS from UOOE.org, University of Online Education. So today we are discussing about another loop, for each. And previous sessions we discussed about for loop, while loop, and this is different loop compared to them. Actually, this for each loop is used in PHP to loop over all elements of an array. Suppose if we have an array with multiple items, I want to print whole items of an array means by using this for each loop I can able to print that an array, complete array. So we can say that the for each is used to print or to loop over all elements of an array. So title is for each loop. Before that we have to see the structure of coming to the for each loop. It contains two structures. Structure one is something like array as value. Some code of statement goes here. This is one structure, and the structure 2 is array as key. Something like value. This is second structure. Now I practically show you how these two structures different from each other, and when we have to use first structure and when we have to use second structure. So I'm commenting this in comments, structures, comment. So first of all, let us discuss about structure 1. Structure 1 is nothing but this is the structure. Suppose I have an variable array. This is an array. It contains items like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6. This is an array. Let me save this first, like for each dot php, and we can't able to print, we can't able to print an array by placing printing statement like echo. By using echo we can't able to print an array. Suppose if you try to run this means it will not show any value. Here it's showing an error message that because we can't able to print an array directly using PHP print statements. So in order to print an array we have something like print underscore r. Just it shows an output. Print underscore r is used to print an array. Just it will show the arctouch. Yeah, it will print an array. So what I need is, by using for each loop I want to get the elements. Elements is nothing but values 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to print entire an array elements. So for that purpose we use for each. As per first syntax, dollar variable array name as $array as something like values or elements, anything it can be, it's an user defined. So now you can able to print values. If you print echo of $VALUS, because here by using for each we are converting an array to a values, to a variables, so we can able to print variables directly. If you see here, now we can able to print 1 2 3 4 5 6. For convenient I will add break, break. I have 6 elements in array, and by using for loop I can able to print total elements of an array. This is about structure 1. Structure 1. So coming to structure 2, suppose if I have an array with indexes, this is single dimension array. It has only single values. Suppose I have an array with indexes like first, it contains something like this is okay. First is contained as this is, and second contain as about, and third contain as for each statement. This is about for each statement. I am counting this statement in stored in 3 variables, 3 values, 1 2 3, 3 values for each. This is an array. What here is going means, suppose if I print this an array by using first structure, something like $ARAY array. Right now I'm going to discuss about an structure 2, this, but I want to show you the difference between structure 1 and structure 2. If I use structure 1 to this indexes array, means what will happen is echo if you see here, it is printing values. It is printing these values, not indexes. It's just printing values of an indexes. This is we can perform using first statement. If I want to print index is nothing but it is values. These are considered as indexes. At the time I will go with second statement as key. So $key. As per the statement structure I'm showing here. So by using this, now I can also print the indexes. Suppose here if you see here, by using this second statement I can also print these indexes, also. This is how by using for each statement we can also print the values, and we can also print the indexes of values. So for each statement is very very important in PHP, because in PHP everything is an array. So if you are going to work with arrays, means you must want to use for each loop in order to print an array elements. So we discussed about for loop, while loop and for each loop. These three are very important loops in PHP. Everything program or every project is mainly based on these loops only. So that's my explanation on this looping statements on for loop or while loop or for each loop. Thank you.